we're on our way to El Chalten. A couple hours, 3 hours. See you guys there. There's a Fitzroy, yeah. Oh, is that where the trail starts? Yeah. Oh wow. El Chalten. Alright guys, we made it in El Chalten. And we're about to start a day hike because we got in around noon. So we're doing a hike that's called El Chorillo del Salto, and it's to a waterfall. And it's pretty easy hike. It's about an hour there, an hour back. So just kind of doing an easy hike. We got 4 days here, so we're gonna kind of enjoy that. It's really beautiful here. There's tons and tons of mountains and lots and lots of hikes. This is the hiking capital of Argentina. Which is El Chalten. So basically it's on the other side of the Patagonia, so it's on the other side of Torres del Paine. So we did the hike from Torres del Paine, and now we're doing it on the other side. So we're gonna see it from both sides, and you guys are gonna be able to see it from both sides. So we're gonna start the hike now. So here we go. We're just about to start the hike here. So it's called Chorillo del Salto. And it's about an hour.
Hike number 1.
This is hike number 1 on day number 1.
Only 2 hours round trip. I love this town because we're actually staying in a national park. The trailhead just outside your door. You open your door, walk 2 minutes, you are on the trail. And Robert's just got the sting by a bee.
Just had a massive bee on me. So yeah, so anywhere you go in El Chalten, you can walk and do a hike anywhere here. There's like 10 different hikes, depends on your...
True, 5.
There's like, sorry, 5 different hikes, and depends on how your difficulty is, if you're good or bad. But yeah, we're just starting the hike. It's about an hour in,
You don't have to pay.
an hour back. You don't have to pay for anything here, which is awesome. This is the first bonus for us because we figured...
Shadow, just outside your hostel, and then you go on trail.
So you don't have to pay for any fee or anything to do the hikes, which is nice. And yeah, we're gonna go check out a waterfall. We haven't seen a waterfall since Costa Rica, so we'll see how that goes. All right, let's enjoy the trail. Saying this may be her favorite town in Argentina. Chorillo del Salto. There's the waterfall. enjoying her hike here in Patagonia. So nothing but wilderness here. After doing the Torres del Paine hike, we feel like my legs are just like completely muscle now. And Perth is shaking her head because she's in pain a little bit as well. But
he's so slow, I'm telling you, on the hike. He's so slow.
Yeah, right. She's
push
slow.
him.
No, we had a great time in Torres del Paine, so it's really cool seeing it from this side and seeing it from both sides. So you guys make the decision on which one you think is better. All right, so we're almost there, guys. We're just getting to the start of the entrance. We just walked a little bit. It's not too far from here, but yeah, 500 meters it looks like. So let's go to the waterfall. So we're done with the waterfall. Pretty magnificent, as you can see. Not too many people here either. I was actually quite surprised about that. I thought there was going to be more people because it's such an easy hike. It's about an hour there, an hour back. So yeah, so we're going to head back to the town now and go check out the town and see what El Chalten, Argentina, has to offer. Try to find some souvenirs and look for some food. So that's next up. So we'll see you guys in town from Patagonia.